Alright guys, what is going on? Another Ute update. So I've been driving around for a while in the Ute since we painted it, you know, having fun, this and that. So today I installed a homemade, 2-inch lift kit and 245/70 16 tires. So as you can see right in here, we got this guy up there. That's the old original crappy strut. I got new struts with new everything, so I made this little piece of pipe. And so yeah, it comes out to be whatever this distance is for a lift. So 1 3/4, 2-inch, don't really know, didn't measure it. But I had to do a little pounding right there because there wasn't very much room. I'm gonna go down to 235s. These are a little too big, but that's what I had laying around for free. So we threw them in there. Yeah, she looks great with the lift for sure. Got so much more ground clearance now in the back. Still got to make a lift kit for the front, but as you can see, I've got a solid foot between the ground and the gas tank in the middle there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty stoked on that. Still need to do, a little painting, and got the inner fender liners from the back that I just tore out. But yeah, so far so good. These 245s rub just a little bit, so I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the 235s. But yeah, she's still running mint. Been ripping her around the old track here. So you can see the nice circle. Oop. Been tearing it up down there, having a good old time. But yeah, probably gonna go rip this thing around for a little bit, so definitely be making a video of that. And we're off. I need to clean off the windshield. For sure. Now let's find a spot to turn around because there's a tree there. Let's see. Kind of hard to see out the back. A little scratchy, no big deal. Well, we got turned around, but ripped off the old bumper cover. Not a big deal. She needed to come off anyways. Now we'll just drag that back. She'll probably hold on. Oh yeah, she's hanging on. Bumper cover's still there, guys. Oh, yeah, it's still there. It's gonna be good for the paint job. Still hanging on. sick's that? I think the tires hit it is what took it off, actually. It kind of looks pretty cool without it. So we might just send her. Well guys, we just decided to send her without the bumper. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. And you know what we do on this channel. We drive through the woods and jump and bash into stuff. So we don't really need a rear bumper cover. I'm going to keep it here in case I decide to put it back on for some reason. But I really doubt I will. Tomorrow I'm going to talk to the guys and find out if the races are going to be happening this year or not. So hopefully that's taken off and still going this year. I'm definitely going to bring this car, the Ute, if we got some racing going on. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm going to be doing a few more mods to the Ute and probably going to be tearing it up a little bit out back. Testing out some things. Possibly might go pick up a set of 235s because these tires in the back are just a little big. So, I mean, they work good. They don't rub too bad, but good enough for now. Does really look cool. These big old tires on the back of here and the bumper cover off. Like, how sick is that? Got a little bit of camber on this side. Not a big deal. Just better for going around corners. But yeah, if you guys like where the Ute build's going, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I've got a lot of people that watch my videos that aren't subscribed to the channel, so do that. That would be awesome. If you haven't entered to win the CRF 50 giveaway, please do so. We don't have hardly any entries for that, so we're going to be extending the drawing. Instead of it being on June 1st, we're just going to extend it and keep it going with all this stuff happening in Minneapolis and every other thing. Who knows where it'll go, but still definitely want to do the giveaway, guys. So let's get all 850 entries filled so we can give the CRF 50 away. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow with more Ute content.